This is a 1989 Lennox heat pump that I have made a few videos of before. Right now, it is running in cool mode, even though it is like in the 40s right now. Last time I saw it running, I thought it was like defrosting, and I couldn't tell if it was running in heat mode or cool mode. But I touched the suction line and it's cold, so definitely running in cool mode. I forget how many nominal tons it is. I think it's like 2.5 or 3. Don't know if I deciphered the data sheet on this thing. This is A. Here we go. Trying to figure out the model number. Numbers on the side, they're like off numbers. It doesn't say 24 or 30, but the numbers I'm seeing are 26 and 31, so that would be indicative of a 2-ton or a 2.5-ton. Just based on the size of the pattern of the condenser coil, I'd say it's a 2-ton or 2.5-ton. And I think it's in cool mode. There's the high pressure, and there's the low pressure. Low pressure is cold. Don't know how good it is for this unit to be running like this in cool mode when it's like 45 to 50 degrees, but it seems to be working fine. It's not freezing up. And there's the filter dryer right there. And I've filmed this unit many times over the last 2.5 years or so, and I still have not figured out which building it belongs to. There are there's like 2, 3, maybe even 4 separate buildings around here that this heat pump could belong to, and I haven't figured out which one it belongs to. Because the disconnect box is mounted to the side of the unit, and I have no idea where the line set goes. There might be like a basement or something underneath all this landscaping. I remember the last time I was building this heat pump, the cold had such an effect on my camera. It was like in the 20s or teens when I filmed this unit last. The cold had such an effect on my camera that it made the timer on the camera run slower than it really was. Like, I thought, when in reality, like 4 or 5 minutes had passed, the camera timer said only 2 minutes had passed. It was like a 4 or 5 minute long video. Right now it's cold, but not ridiculously cold. It's like in the 40s right now. It's supposed to get down into the high 20s, low 30s tonight. which, I mean, in Pennsylvania, this is mild for this time of year. I mean, below zero is not uncommon in the winter around here. Just as temperatures over 100 are not unheard of in the summer. Like, temperatures over 100 are not unheard of in the summer around here, and temperatures below zero are not unheard of in the winter. So your average temperature in southeastern PA in the summer is like in the 80s. And in the winter, below freezing. But it is above freezing now. Yeah, and the heat pump does not seem to be freezing up. What in the hell is that right there? Oh, it's a freaking litter bugs. Bag of pretzels. Freaking litter bugs. Alright. 1989 Lennox heat pump running in cool mode in relatively cold weather. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.